Come on. Come on. No, sir. That's the dog food, boy. Come on, Chris. Go son. Hey, Flea. Look at that Flea boy. Flea boy. Carrie's pampered pooch spa. Did that to Flea boy, huh? Yeah. Come on, Crispy. Come on. He said I'm just one friend. Well, he sure does know how to get in there right away. You sure do, huh? He said, I sure do. You ate it all. It's all gone. That was the duck food. Leave it open for you. You go in there, do whatever you want to do. How about that? Go make you some friends, Chris. Go hang out in the sun. Go chill. Do what you gonna do, boy.